You know the thing about gearheads? We go to the junkyard like women go to the mall. Got my parts from Rock Auto for the Kia. You know, Rock Auto is a good place to get your parts. Especially if you're gonna plan your work. If you are looking for good prices and a good selection, check out Rock Auto. Their prices pretty much beat everybody's, and you do have to pay for shipping. That's kind of the only thing, but they do have a great selection. And Rock Auto is partnered with me, and I'll leave a link with a coupon in the description below. I'm just kidding. Sounded professional though, didn't it? Let's see. Got my rear shocks, got my air filter, cabin air filter, spark plugs, got my wheel bearing kit. And, oh, I got a Chrysler New Yorker magnet for the toolbox. You know, a few things that I had to take care of, Listen, those spark plugs, they really need a change. And see, I mean, look at these right here. I don't know, tidy up the engine bay a little bit. There's a lot of dirt and debris in the filter box, so I decided to clean that up and get a few leaves out of the engine compartment. Yeah, the air filter goes without saying. That's just part of a routine maintenance. The reason that I went to the junkyard, this car has 3 factory wheels and hubcaps and 1 aftermarket wheel. And according to the owner, ran over something, ruined the right rear wheel, and so he just bought a wheel and tire to put on there. This guy's a salesman. He didn't care, but I think it'd be a little bit more appealing to the buyer if they had 4 matching wheels and tires and hubcaps. Cabin air filter. You know, I forgot about that. Well, I didn't forget about it. Most people forget about it, but always check your cabin air filter. You know what I found in one once? Besides this. Check this out. Anyway, cabin air filter done. Die. I'm wrong for that. But it's my house. Bad shock. Watch this. Okay, I can push it in. There's no rebound. This one compresses the same. Will I get rebound? No rebound. Both rear shocks were bad. Quick. The rear bumper cover was cracked. The tag lights were broken. Well, one of them was broken, and they were just hanging out, falling out. And so I looked them up online, and that little center bumper cover piece was very inexpensive. And especially since it was just ABS plastic, it's not painted. So I spent the money, got a new one, spent a little bit more change and got some aftermarket tag lights, popped it all in, and Viola, here you go. So here I'm just moved on to the wheel bearing. That was that rattle that I heard that you saw in the first video. The little roaring that I was hearing, a little clunk, and those were really bad. So pull the old wheel bearing off. Then I found out I was gonna run that over to my brother's house, and you guys met my brother. He's the one with the Cadillac. You know, if not, I'll put a link in the description when we went to his house. He has a press. And I was going to go over there and press those out, but we didn't have the right size cups to use to press the bearings out. So I wound up spending a half hour's worth of labor at the local tire shop. They pressed out the old bearing and wheel hub and pressed a new one in, and we got that installed. So we crossed that off the list. Original wheels and hubcaps. And what a little bit of elbow grease, some paint. What a difference that makes in what you see now. Thank you. Thank you a lot. The only thing that's left is detailing pictures and listing it. Let you guys know what happened. I'm out.